Consider this everyday situation. If a glass of milk is left outside on a hot day, tiny bacteria grow in it. They change the sugar in the milk into lactic acid, making the milk sour, thick, and lumpy. This process is called curdling. Imagine grapes left for some time after being crushed. Tiny yeast organisms start eating the sugar in the grape juice. They change the sugar into alcohol and gas. This process is called fermentation. Now think about an iron gate outside on a humid day. Water vapor and oxygen in the air slowly react with the iron. After some time, the shiny gray gate starts turning reddish-brown. This reddish layer is called rust. When we cook food, heat changes it. For example, an egg white changes from a clear liquid into a solid white part when heated. Rice also changes when cooked. It absorbs water and becomes soft. This is called a chemical change that turns raw food into cooked food. Also, food we eat goes through the digestive system. It is broken down in the stomach and small intestine where nutrients are absorbed. The remaining waste moves to the large intestine, and finally the body sends it out as waste. When we breathe in, our body takes in oxygen through the lungs. The oxygen goes to our body cells and helps release energy from food. At the same time, a waste gas called carbon dioxide is produced. When we breathe out, this carbon dioxide leaves our body. In all the above situations, the nature and the identity of the initial substance have somewhat changed. We have already learned about physical and chemical changes of matter in our previous classes. You may perhaps be wondering as to what is actually meant by a chemical reaction. How do we come to know that a chemical reaction has taken place? Let us perform some activities to find the answer to these questions. Let us perform a simple activity. Take a small piece of magnesium ribbon and rub it with sandpaper to remove the oxide layer. Hold it with tongs and heat it over a flame. It burns with a dazzling white flame and forms a white powder called magnesium oxide. Let us perform another activity. Lead nitrate solution is taken in a test tube. Potassium iodide solution is added to it. A bright yellow precipitate of lead iodide is formed. This shows that a chemical reaction has taken place. Now let us perform one last activity. Zinc granules are placed in a conical flask. Dilute hydrochloric acid is added carefully. Bubbles of hydrogen gas appear around the zinc. This shows that a chemical reaction has taken place. From the above three activities, we can say that certain observations help us determine whether a chemical reaction has taken place. Change in state, change in color, evolution of gas, change in temperature. As we observe the changes around us, we can see that there is a large variety of chemical reactions taking place around us. We will study about the various types of chemical reactions and their symbolic representation in this chapter.